Welcome, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of hibiscus. If you've been struggling with yellow leaves or a lack of blooms, you might be making one of these 5 common mistakes. Overwatering can lead to root rot, and one of the first signs you'll notice is yellowing leaves. Hibiscus plants are sun lovers, and one of the biggest errors gardeners make is keeping them in the shade. Hibiscus plants are tropical beauties, and they're quite particular about their climate. Exposing your hibiscus to cold temperatures or extreme heat can cause serious damage. Aim to fertilize your hibiscus every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season. Look for a balanced liquid fertilizer that's high in potassium, as this nutrient is essential for flower production. Your hibiscus will thank you with an abundance of colorful blooms. These plants start to suffer when temperatures drop below 10 degrees Celsius or rise above 40 degrees Celsius. Hibiscus plants are unfortunately prone to infestations from various insects, including aphids, whiteflies, and mealybug. These tiny pests may seem harmless at first, but they can quickly multiply and cause serious damage to your plant if left unchecked. Remember, gardening is a journey of continuous learning, so don't get discouraged if you encounter setbacks along the way. Every plant is slightly different, and what works for one hibiscus might not work for another. With these tips in mind, you're well equipped to nurture your hibiscus and enjoy its stunning blooms year after year. Until next time, keep those green thumbs working and your hibiscus blooming. Happy gardening, everyone, and may your hibiscus thrive. Pay attention to how your plant responds to changes in care, and don't be afraid to make adjustments as needed. Each challenge is an opportunity to gain new knowledge and improve your skills. Regular inspection of your hibiscus is key to catching pest problems early. Regular pruning not only helps maintain the shape of your plant, but also encourages bushier growth and more blooms. Don't be afraid to give your hibiscus a good trim in early spring before new growth begins. During winter months, it's crucial to bring potted hibiscus plants indoors to protect them from frost. This natural pesticide is effective against a wide range of insects and is safe for beneficial pollen. You can also use an organic insecticidal soap or simply wipe down the leaves with a cotton ball dipped in water to remove pests manually. Remember, a healthy hibiscus is better equipped to fend off pest attacks, so maintaining overall plant health is crucial. If you have hibiscus planted in your garden, use a layer of mulch around the base to keep the roots warm. These plants thrive on routine, so try to establish a regular schedule for watering, feeding, and pest checks. With a little patience and attention, you'll soon see your hibiscus flourishing like never before. In areas with scorching summers, provide some afternoon shade to prevent leaf burn. Without at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day, your hibiscus will struggle to produce those beautiful blooms we all adore. Hibiscus plants are hungry feeders and need rich, well-draining soil to thrive. Many gardeners make the mistake of using regular garden soil, which can become compacted over time and suffocate the roots. Instead, create a custom mix using loamy soil, cocopeat, and compost. This combination provides the perfect balance of nutrients and drainage that hibiscus plants crave. If you're growing your hibiscus indoors, place it near a sunny window. For outdoor plants, choose a spot that gets plenty of morning sun. Remember, a happy hibiscus is a sun-bathed hibiscus. To avoid this, only water your hibiscus when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. If you're growing your hibiscus in a pot, make sure it has proper drainage to prevent water from pooling at the bottom. Don't worry though, we're here to help you fix them and get your hibiscus thriving. Let's start with mistake number 1. It's a common misconception that hibiscus plants love lots of water, but too much can actually be harmful. Now, let's move on to mistake number 2. Not providing enough sunlight. The third mistake on our list involves temperature. Moving on to mistake number 4. Poor soil quality and lack of fertilization. But good soil alone isn't enough. Hibiscus plants also need regular feeding to produce those stunning blooms. Last but certainly not least, we come to mistake number 5. Ignoring pests. To combat these unwanted visitors, try spraying your hibiscus with neem oil every 7 to 10 days. Now that we've covered the top 5 mistakes, let's talk about the importance of consistency in hibiscus care. Here's a bonus tip for all you hibiscus lovers out there. As we wrap up, let's recap the 5 common mistakes to avoid. 1. Overwatering. 2. Not providing enough sunlight. 3. Exposing plants to incorrect temperatures. 4. Using poor soil and neglecting fertilization. 5. Ignoring pest problems. By addressing these issues and following the tips we've shared, you'll be well on your way to becoming a hibiscus growing expert. Before we go, here's one last piece of advice. Observe your hibiscus closely and get to know its unique needs. We hope you found this guide helpful in your hibiscus growing journey. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.